Here we have a high-speed MPU and background sound card. And I've already repaired the power supply on this one. So what was the problem with this? It just didn't boot. And the primary reason was somehow the U27 ROM got trashed, and both the sound ROMs and the sound ROM on the background sounds board. The address buffer at U16 was trashed, and I replaced the 4.7K SIP resistor there, so we are good to go now. Installed a 7447 that was missing here, and I think that's it. Yeah, so lamp matrix is operating. Let's put it into test. And I forgot to put the auto up down button in the right position. Well, all this music is coming from the background soundboard right now. Display test, and this is going to look a little funny because high speed's got a different display configuration than my universal display tester. I've got another one of these kind of coming in from my good buddy Dumbass, and all those sounds were coming from the MPU board. Lamp matrix, and this has got single lamp test also, and then we'll hop on over to solenoid test. And in high speed, the solenoids are not multiplexed, so it'll walk through each of the 16. And the special solenoids in yellow. The orange LEDs that are lit up, those are for the flipper grounds, flipper power enable. You know that's working also. And that was the switch inputs. So I'm going to go to switch edges and walk through column 1. You can kind of see the numbers there, like 07 right here, 08, and then here is row 1, and high speed goes to switch 52, which is right there. And that's it. I've got NVRAM installed on the MPU also, so it is good to go. Thank you so much for sending it.